Hey guys, here is a collection of mermaid cards using the G45 Fairy Dust collection. This collection is very, very versatile, and I have shown you so many different projects using this collection. But my main focus is to send you over to Scrapbooking with me because they have lots of awesome goodness over there. So be sure to check out the links in the description box down below. Go to the store, do lots of shopping. They have all the current paper collections, and you will be happy you did, especially when you use my coupon code, which is in the description box down below. So obviously I have two round cards and I have one shaped card in the middle. Let's start with this one. This one's actually a shaker card, and I used a pre-made shaker on this one. It says magical things, and as you can see, the shaker bits. So I used this purple page of the collection, and it has these greens in it. So I pulled from the greens, and I used this glitter paper from my stash, and then I layered some lavender trim and then some more of the green trim there. I layered some butterflies. I colored up my little mermaid with Copics. I added a flower in her hair, and there is a butterfly that's landed in her hair there. Another, just lots of butterflies, floral clusters, just really, really pretty. She pops up on this really cool trim that matches the lace and the glitter paper. And then a little bow on the corner there so that when it's separate, okay, it's on the sentiment area, but when you bring your easel card down, it brings that bow kind of into that cluster. So that's our first one. Then the middle one here is fairly simple. I used that same purple paper across the center, and I really love this paper here with the different colors. So I colored her up purple and greens and teals to kind of match the collection. My beautiful flower cluster. Gosh, guys, I just love doing flower clusters. And a lavender bow, layered butterflies throughout. There's a butterfly landed on her hair. And this is a fussy cut from one of the little 3x4s that comes with the collection. I just cut that out. It says, follow your dreams. And then she pops up on this cool looking purple trim, and there is a spot to write your personal message. Then the last one is a very monochromatic card, and that means like all the shades are in one tone. So these are all different shades of green, and there's this really great paper in the collection. It's got these really cool designs on it. So that was what I used as my base. And then I had this cool, like, it's like a ribbon, but it's got all these sequins on it, and it looked kind of like watery to me. And I used this mint trim around the edge that to me kind of looked like seaweed. And then I just started layering different green colored flowers. I added these little pieces, little sprays of stuff from my stash. And to me, that also looked like seaweed. Then I layered butterflies, lots of butterflies. And then I had this sequin bow that is not green, but I thought it looked nice with this card. And I added a couple flowers on my my mermaid's hair, and she pops up like that. So there you go. Another set of 3 mermaid cards. I hope you enjoyed. I hope you will check out all the links in the description box down below and head over to Scrapbooking with me and get you some awesome goodness. There are so many new collections out, guys. You have to check it out. Thanks for watching. Happy scrappy day. Bye-bye.